Hello and welcome to another video from Wrong There Life is Art. I'm trying something different here. It's a how-to video that's been requested from a number of Facebook groups. I was just creating these altered paper clips using some charms, and there was a lot of ladies on there that wanted to give it a go and didn't quite understand how I did it when I was trying to explain it. So here goes. I'm going to apologise for the setup because I'm actually sat on the floor here with the tablet hanging off of my coffee table, but I was trying to get it some natural lighting on these. Anyway, this is what I've come up with and what I shared, and I've received an overwhelming response on all my Facebook groups for these. I created these to hang off junk journals. Now I've got several sets of these. I ordered them twice by mistake, so I am offering some of these sewing sets for sale. If anybody's interested, please send me a message. I do take PayPal and I ship international as well, but it will be signed and tracked, so please be aware of that. So those are the charms. And I have made another couple of sets for another lady that I know on my Facebook groups. She's into Alice, and if she's not using these, I do actually have an Alice journal on the go, so I will use it on that. So these are the silver tone ones. There's playing cards, and there's a charm with off with a head and white rabbit there, and these are the gold tone ones. So you've got the Cheshire Cat there, rabbit, the Queen's crown, Alice, and a rose with a heart. So just to show you how they are like this. This is what they look like. Just get a piece of card to put behind so you can see it. That's what they look like. They're just paper clips and your charm, and you need a couple of I think they're called jump rings. I'm not actually a jeweler, but I just like attempting things as part of my arts and crafts. So what happens with these is you can slot it down on this smaller hoop, pop it over like that, and you can add it to your page like so, so it dangles down, or you could move it around to the side and have it dangling off the side of your page. And just an example to show you how that looks in a book. I've got this which I'll be filming and sharing later on. So they just all dangle down like that. I hope you're able to see that. These are again some Alice ones that I did. It's got Drink Me, a smiley emoji to represent the Cheshire Cat, a playing card, a crown and a heart. So they just dangle down like that. So to get on like this, I'll just move this to the side a bit. Coffee table set up a bit high, so I'm not sure if I'm going to stay on camera or if my head's going to be popping in here, and I'm a little nervous because, like I said before, it's not something I actually do. So I've picked out a few charms and things. I'll start with the Cheshire Cat. So I have the charm there and the paperclip that I've matched with that, and that's just something I purchased off eBay as well. I can't remember how much it was now, as I've had it for several years. So I usually go for the smaller size, and then I like going with a couple of sizes larger. You'll have to excuse my pliers. I do have a new set, but I'm just comfortable with this older one, so that's what I do. So I just need some pliers and the round nose ones as well. I think that's what they're called anyway. So what I do is I just pick out the larger size one that I want, slot it onto my charm. I had a couple of ladies asking if I'd do this how-to video, and I have no idea if I use the correct methods or tools, so I was quite nervous about it. Plus a lot of people will know everything that can go wrong will go wrong when you're filming, so I then go for the smaller size one only because it's a closer match to the paperclip size. So I've tried these with a few paper clips now. There's some of the coloured ones which have the plastic coating, so you just have to be a bit careful with that when you're turning those. You're doing the curls on the ends, that you don't end up cracking the plastic coloured part. But I don't know if I was in focus there, but that's what you have. You have two loops like that. Focusing. Then all I do is I just slide that onto my paper clip through the little ring there. Just slide it through and bring it around. That's your little dangle there. And then to stop it from falling off, I then use the round nose ones. So I'm just wondering whether I should move them out of the way so that it focuses right. Yep, so I just pull that out a little bit. I just grab that from there near the end, and I do like a quarter turn, just like that, just to give you that little shape so you've got something to work with. And then I just keep on twirling that around. So I actually move my hand around like this because I find that easier for when I'm turning it. And then I'll do a little turn like that and just check it's going in the right way, because you can bend them forwards as well by accident. And then just carry on twirling round and round until the end meets there. So that's your first curl. Then just move your charm to the end and flip it around and just move that away from the center one so you can get your nose plier thing inside. I'm not very good at explaining this, am I? But hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And then quarter of a turn there again, like that, just so it gives you a starting point to grab onto. Again, twist your hand inwards and then grab it and let your whole hand do the work. So you're just twirling it around. It's a bit fiddly with the charm being there, but I've gone the wrong way. I told you, anything and everything that can go wrong does. You just hold and carry on twirling that around until it meets your centerpiece again. So there's your two curls. And that's your dangle charm. So you just slide that one like so. So it hangs off the side, or move it around to the bottom and it won't fall off. So you won't be losing it anywhere either. I'll try to do another quick one because I'm not sure if I explained it very well there. There's a little dragonfly I wanted to try, so that's a smaller paper clip just to show you that it can be done on the smaller paper clips too. And that's my charm there. So once again, because it's a smaller charm, I'm going to go for just the smaller two sizes on this. So first go for the larger one, larger ring, slot that through your loop, and just close that up. and then get your smaller one. Put that through your other loop. You don't really have to do 2 loops, but I find if you do that, it's got a nice little swing to it as well when it dangles, especially on the edges. Making sure that's properly closed. And again, from the small loop there, just open that up, slide it on and onto the single side, not the double one. And then with your round nose pliers again, split that with your hand, a little quarter turn, and then twist your hand around, grab it and do your full turn until it matches back to your paper clip like so. So you get that nice little round curl there. Same with the inside one. So I'm working from underneath there just so that it doesn't catch to the front. It'll be the same method again. Trying to put it in a place where it'll stay focused, but like I said, the tablet's a bit higher up so I can't really see. So a bit of a quarter turn there. Turn your hand around and loop it around, creating your curl. Now, by no means am I saying I've invented this method, but it is not something I've seen anybody do. But I'm sure there will be other people who have tried this. I was just experimenting. I was planning on attaching some beads to the end first originally, and then I didn't want to be messing around with any glue, so that's what I ended up doing. There you go. So works like that, and it dangles about on your page, or like that, and it dangles at the end of your page. So I'm hoping the tutorial wasn't too bad, and the ladies who weren't sure exactly what I was doing will now know. Thank you for watching and bearing with me, and if you want me to show you some more how-to videos, please do like, subscribe, and I'll try my best. No guarantees, but I'll try my best. And thank you once again to all my Facebook groups, all the members who have written such lovely comments. I'm sorry I can't reply to every single one of you, but it's the first time I got such a large response. I really appreciate each and every single one. I hope you try this, and if you do, please tag me as well. It's Rung Their Life is Art, or Facebook people will know my name as well, so just tag me on the groups and I'd love to see what you come up with. Have fun crafting, and thanks for watching again. Bye.